Hello, this is Phil from OneModel, and we are going to do a brief test to see what happens when we ask our OneAI assistant in OneModel questions not in English. So we're going to ask it a question in French. So we'll just refresh the page here. We are in a sandbox site of OneModel. And for example, I can ask the assistant things in English. So I could ask it, what is our head count? And it, in a moment, will bring me back my head count number. Great. What happens if we ask it a question in French? And I will spare you all my attempt to speak French, but we'll ask what our head count is in French and see how it does. Next, we'll try to figure out if it can find or prefer metrics in French. So here we did. It did pretty well. It returned my FTE head count, but it did pick a number. It was able to translate my request from English or from French to English, pick a metric, and deliver my headcount back to me. Great. What happens if we also have French metrics? So I'm going to do something quick here in our configuration, and our one AI assistant is highly configurable. So this is AI that you get to control. And I'm going to go down and take a look at the metrics that it has available to it. And we have a mock-up in here, and we put in just a simple French metric. So we have the same headcount metric, but we gave it a French label. And I'm going to give the assistant the ability to see that metric. And let's see, we know it can find the English version. Now that it has both options, let's see if it prefers the version in French. So we'll ask it again, what is my headcount? It's rerunning it, so look down at the bottom of the page and let's see what it comes back with. All right. Um, Now that it had the option to pick the French version, it was intelligent enough to pick the French version. So um, if you're in a situation where you've created multiple versions of your metrics, one for say French or German or other use cases, right now, kind of even in early initial versions of the assistant, it's able to do the matching intelligently to try to pick the best answer for you. So there we are.